Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be looking at on how we can make roles on Discord. So, as you can see, there is a Kimaga role, and since we already have a Kimaga role, we want to make a Quingaga role, right? So, how do we make roles? You just want to head over. You want to make sure you have admin permissions. Anyways, after you make sure you have admin permissions, you just want to go to server settings. Once inside server settings, you just want to head over to roles. Once you're inside roles, over here you just want to create new role, and this role is going to be right under admin, and we're going to name it Quingaga, right? Queenmaga. Huh. Yeah. Anyways, so next thing you want to do, we want to set the color to purple, because I don't know, purple looks nice with the Quingaga. And after that, you just want to save changes, and that's it. You make sure you press on save changes. And if you want to give the roles any permissions, you just want to head over to permissions and then basically set what the permissions are going to be. As you can see, my admin permission has all the roles. My king really doesn't have any because it doesn't really need to. Same goes for Quinmaga. And with that being said, that's about it. Now select the person that you want to give the Quinmaga role and just do Quinmaga, and that's about it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.